What is going on, everybody, and welcome to another Beta Memoirs. And today's episode, we had a lot of interesting movement today. To be honest, the market opened up and looked like it wanted to sell, and then banks, tech, it looked like it wanted to sell off. It did a quick flip. Some big tech actually started to push up, which was pretty good to see. Some of your earnings plays, like you pushed good today. USPT, I think it was, or UTP. Was it UTPST? I have it right here. Excuse me. UPST. UPST also had a nice move up this morning. It seems like earnings this week have done better. That's what I was kind of looking for this week. I played this yesterday. I didn't play it today. I was actually more focused on Moderna today, which did absolutely nothing today. I did a lot of back and forth movement. So I think going into tomorrow, it's interesting where everything is at. You can look at the SPY. The SPY is pushing up. Banks didn't really push up, but like I said, big tech, a lot of the companies with more weight pushed today. That's, I think, what held up the SPY. QQQ, I did push a little bit, but it's selling. I mean, most things. Palantir was also another one yesterday or this morning that did very well. Had a nice earnings run this morning. That might be something for continuation tomorrow. Then we just had Disney just reported earnings, and they absolutely crushed it, it seems. I'm recording this at 4:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the market just closed. They still haven't done their call. This could completely reverse. Airbnb, they were doing good. They must have beat earnings, but again, any kind of forward guidance or anything like that, they'll see what the call does for this. But I think ultimately forward guidance, obviously, I think with the worry of Delta variant, that's probably why this is selling off. More than likely, that's what that is. And they also had Wish. Wish got destroyed, like most e-commerce. Most e-commerce did not do very well. Being said, people are actually going out about and buying stuff. Although I think any of these dips, your Amazons, your Wish, your Shops, your Millie, I think any of these e-commerce plays, they will do extremely well going into the holiday season. I think just right now, the forward guidance is kind of misleading on it because they have lost some sales only because of the fact of the summer months. I think that will quickly turn around. So for a lot of e-commerce plays, I'm trying to look for them to start basing. Once they start basing, start picking them up going into the holidays. Etsy itself, I know Etsy has actually been doing fairly well. It's been holding fairly strong. One of the few that actually it did do good on earnings, but did sell off forward guidance. So it's interesting to see on the e-commerce space. It's been one of the stronger ones lately. Again, Apple, massive push today. I was watching it this morning, although it's been giving us these fake outs the past couple of days. Was not expecting this huge move out of this today, although it has broken out. And on the daily, something I'm looking at is wedge here, looking for a retest on the 148 mark tomorrow. If holds again there, good possibility of continuing on. Facebook is actually below support as well. I almost grabbed this morning. Again, market was really iffy this morning. It hit daily support perfectly and bounced. Did not grab this. I wanted to see what the market was doing. Again, everything is extremely high. That being said, I mean, it's not going to stop it from continuing to push on when you're seeing that. There's no real catalyst to sell. But I am being probably overly cautious right now. I'm taking a lot of intraday trades, which I don't normally do. I like to do take swings. I like to take longer positions. But again, I don't know where this market is going. I don't want to open up in the market and the floor drop out in the next day. Tesla actually had a nice little push. They got an upgrade today, and they pushed up quite a bit today. Still looking for that 726 break. This might be something tomorrow. If it does break above this zone, it's been stuck in this channel for a while. If it does break above this zone, this will definitely be a play tomorrow. I'm definitely watching FANG tomorrow as the biggest thing. I want to stick with Tesla, Facebook, Apple, and see where they're at. If they break out tomorrow, could start being in good direction. Again, a lot of them had great earnings and really didn't move much. So being said, I think going into the back half of this year, I think tech is really going to destroy it, especially with the inflation numbers. Everybody's getting used to the numbers, and not that bad. And even in Jackson Hole, I don't think anything is going to change. There's been a lot of talk about tapering next month, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're still a long ways away from that. But we'll see what happens from this point. So if that story changes, then we'll make adjustments by that time. Wish is still selling off. Let's see, Shop. What else do we got tomorrow? Myrna. Myrna's kind of one of the ones I like Myrna, but I want to see a base. Maybe that's what we're doing here. I tried it several different times a day. I tried to scalped it twice with options and tried it with shares as well, but ultimately it's hard to tell if this is going to stay up. I know in the long run this will actually be a cash cow, I think, in the future, especially with the boosters. Fauci was talking about boosters as well. Moderna and Pfizer. I like Moderna better than Pfizer. But we'll have to see how that goes. Amazon was actually starting to push up towards close. A lot of FANG started to push up. So this is definitely something to be watching tomorrow and see if we break up out of this. The market just does not want to sell. Everything just keeps getting bought up. We're at long consolidation periods. Again, possibly just playing range. I want to see what we do. But tomorrow we don't have, as far as like earnings tomorrow, again, just watching to see what's going to happen with some earnings. I want to see ultimately what is going on. Like I said, Airbnb, Wish, and Disney. Disney might be a good continuation. I think Airbnb, if it beats, which again, it looked like it beat initially. But again, for any kind of forward guidance and vaccine stuff, I think is going to destroy this. So we'll definitely have to see what happens. Sophie was the other one that actually had earnings today. Sophie had earnings. It looked like it got wrecked pretty good. So there's still a lot. I mean, stick with FANG. FANG has always been the lead indicator, something I always continue to preach on here. I'm going back to FANG again. I don't like when FANG starts getting a lot of sideways consolidation. I typically stay away from that. I try to find stuff that is moving. Hence why I was looking at Moderna today. With that crazy sell-off yesterday for no real reason other than that it was ridiculously high. So I want to see what exactly is going on. But definitely Disney. I do like Disney tomorrow. Disney and FANG for continuation plays tomorrow. I was looking at Roblox as well. Roblox might sell as long as it's, I mean, I prefer it down at the 75 mark. It's been a good base for me. I'll typically buy it if it jumps down to the 75 mark, but I don't know if we're going to hit that tomorrow or not. Very well could. I know this initial pump from Activision sells popped this up, and then it's kind of just been sitting flat since then. Was holding this channel. I was going to get in this channel, but then it broke this channel down. That's being supported by the 200. We'll see if this comes back down as well. So that is pretty much what I got for you guys. This video is not too long. Tomorrow is Friday, so just be mindful of that. Got the weekend, so most times it's Take Profit Friday. But this whole new pattern, it's definitely whatever goes. So we'll definitely have to see how tomorrow plays out. Again, today I thought we were going to sell. A lot of stuff was looking really weak and wanted to sell, but then it quit. Everything turned around pretty quick. So we shall see. If you've made it this far, remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.